Life is busy. We feel pressure from everywhere. Work, school, family, and friends. It all adds up. Sometimes our hearts feel heavy. We feel stressed and anxious. But what if I told you there's a way to find peace? What if you could quiet the noise and find calm? There's a way, a beautiful and ancient practice. Let me share it with you. In the Quran, Allah, SWT, gives us comfort and guidance. He knows our struggles, our fears, and our deepest concerns. He understands the challenges we face in our daily lives and offers us a way to cope with them. Through His words, He provides us with the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle. This solace can be found in the recitation of Surah X. Surah X is special, not just for its profound meanings, but also for the peace it brings to our hearts. It reminds us of Allah's power and mercy, His infinite wisdom, and His boundless compassion. It reminds us that He is always with us, watching over us, and guiding us through every step of our journey. Reciting it is a powerful act of worship, a way to connect deeply with our Creator and seek His blessings. It connects us to our Creator, bringing us closer to Him and filling our hearts with tranquility and faith. Through Surah X, we find a source of endless inspiration and a reminder of the divine presence in our lives. Imagine listening to the Quran. Feel the words wash over you. They are words of comfort. They are words of hope. As you recite Surah X, feel your worries melt away. When we focus on Allah's words, we find peace. Our hearts become tranquil. Our minds become still. This is the power of connecting with the divine. Section 4. Science meets spirituality. The Quran and your brain. In this section, we explore the fascinating intersection where ancient wisdom meets modern science. Did you know that reciting the Quran has amazing effects on our brains? Scientists have studied this. Through various studies and experiments, researchers have discovered that the act of reciting the Quran can have profound neurological benefits. They found that reciting the Quran can calm your nervous system. This calming effect is not just a fleeting feeling. It has been measured and documented through brain scans and other scientific methods. It can reduce stress hormones in your body. Specifically, the levels of cortisol, a hormone associated with stress, have been shown to decrease significantly when one engages in the recitation of the Quran. This is not just faith, it's science. The findings bridge the gap between spirituality and empirical evidence, showing that the benefits of reciting the Quran are both spiritual and physiological. When we recite Surah X, we're not just praying, we're actually helping our bodies relax. The rhythmic patterns and soothing verses contribute to a state of tranquility, promoting overall well-being. So the next time you pick up the Quran, remember, you're not just nurturing your soul, but also enhancing your brain health. Section 5. Voices of Tranquility. Stories of Surah X. This section delves into the profound impact that Surah X has had on the lives of many individuals, showcasing their personal journeys and experiences. Many people have felt the power of Surah X. It has been a source of solace and guidance, a beacon of hope in their darkest hours. They've shared their stories about how it helped them through tough times. From personal struggles to moments of joy, Surah X has been a constant companion offering wisdom and comfort. One young sister shared how reciting Surah X helped her through her exams. She found clarity and focus, enabling her to excel in her studies and achieve her goals. A brother said it gave him strength when he lost his job. In his time of uncertainty, the verses of Surah X provided him with the courage to persevere and find new opportunities. These stories remind us that we're not alone. In moments of despair and joy, the words of Surah X connect us, fostering a sense of community and shared faith. Allah, SWT, is always there for us. His presence is felt through the verses of Surah X, guiding us and providing us with the strength to face life's challenges. His words in Surah X can bring us comfort and peace. They remind us of His eternal love and mercy, offering a sanctuary for our hearts and minds in times of need. Section 6. Finding your calm in the chaos. Life will always have its challenges, but we don't have to face them alone. Turn to Allah, SWT. Find solace in the Quran. Recite Surah X with a sincere heart. You are not alone. Allah is with you. Find your peace in His words. Find your strength in His love.